Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling direct messages on Instagram. If you do this, you will not be able to receive messages from anyone on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Instagram app and tap on your user icon in the bottom right corner of the homepage to get to your profile page. On your profile page, tap on the 3 horizontal lines button from the top right corner. Then tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on Notifications. Tap Direct Messages. Now, under where it says Message Request, tap the Off checkbox. And tap the Off checkbox under Messages. You will no longer receive messages or message requests from anyone on Instagram. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.